Let us kick off this big hour with one of the world's biggest companies making a big-time commitment, and that is NVIDIA. NVIDIA finally unveiling exactly where and when it's going to be investing hundreds of millions of dollars in American manufacturing. Dare we say, it's a feel-good story, but it's also an important one for maybe the most important stock in the world. Let's talk about it to kick off Power Lunch with Christina Partsinevelos joining us from the NASDAQ. And yes, this does appear, Christina, to be not only big news, but a little bit of good news.
Yeah. Oh, no doubt. And the president is celebrating that. But as the White House's semiconductor tariff investigation gets underway and they determine what they're going to charge chip companies, NVIDIA announced plans today to establish over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space in the United States. There's that feel-good story. The tech giant is going to produce Blackwell chips in Arizona and build AI supercomputers in Texas through partnerships with Foxconn and Wistron. With these facilities, it's expected to be operational within about 12 to 15 months. And this move is really part of NVIDIA's previously announced $500 billion AI infrastructure investment over 4 years. Though when first revealed, it was last month, if I recall, the details were limited. It's still not entirely clear, Brian, how much AI manufacturing will actually relocate to American soil, given that the semiconductor supply chain remains predominantly centered in Asia and is incredibly complex, which was in that NVIDIA blog post today. The Trump administration, though, views this development as validation of its tariff strategy. President Trump shared the news on Truth Social and stated, also from the Oval Office this morning, the higher the tariff, the faster they come, pretty much referring to manufacturers establishing domestic operations or promising to do so. TSMC is making similar commitments with its pledge of an additional $100 billion investment, while Apple has committed $500 billion over the next 4 years. These actions may establish a new precedent for how technology companies respond to current trade pressures. Lobby the president to get exempted.